Hello folks, as you can see we are standing in front of my wood stove. I got the oven kicked on and going. The wood stove is very hot right now. And as you can see here in this pan, I'm going to take this lid off because it's slow cooking. You can see it's hot. We have got 2 purple onions and 2 sweet onions. And we have a box of baby bella mushrooms, and the tops of my bell peppers that I cut off are in here as well. You can see little chunks of green. Those are my bell peppers. What we're going to do is let this slow cook down to nothing. It's just going to be a pasty, very moist, very tender. And I got some chicken I'm going to chunk up into little small pieces, and it's going to go in there just to cook. But then what we're going to do is make it a little different. What we're going to do then is we're going to take and I've got 8 big bell peppers right here. I'm going to put some cream cheese in these, and then I'm going to melt some cheddar cheese in these, and then they're going to get stuffed to what's in that pan. And then there'll be melted cheese, of course, on top, and they're going to be slow baked until they're just falling to pieces. And that's going to be today's meal. If this thing had a way you could smell it, the smell is just about enough to kill a guy. It smells so good. Hope y'all have a great weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll holler at you later. Bye.